how to edit tagged people on your video on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit tagged people on your video on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Choose the video you want to edit tagged people in. Now, once you choose the video, click on those 3 lines up there. 3 points. Scroll over this list and you're gonna find edit tagged people. Wait for a second and here you're gonna find people. You can tag new people here and just click on done if you want. Or you can search on here to search for your friends. And this is it. Once you are done, click on done. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.